Hi, my name's Ashley and I've got a tool that's going to change how your company does its marketing. So I'm going to quickly run through using the tool and we'll leave this running in the background. So body butter, that's an example, and I'm just going to click create my article. Right, so while that's going on, here we've all been in this situation. Like, you work in marketing, here's my website. I need to rank better in Google. I need to get more customers to my site. I need my business to do better. Or if I'm a marketing agency, I need to get more customers for my business, for my customers' business. Mouthful. But how do you do that? To do that, you need to rank higher in Google. Like, ultimately, SEO is the best way. It's the free marketing thing. Every little thing you can do now pays off dividends in the long run. But on top of that, everyone's doing it. So you're competing, like this Bottega.com is competing against like all the other makeup brands. They're all pushing out content and I need to keep up. If they're pushing out 20 articles per month, I need to be pushing out 21, and that costs money. I think I was speaking to someone in marketing yesterday, and she said her clients were paying between $30 to $50 per hour for their copywriters, and that's a lot of money. So how do we beat that? Because we need to push out that content because we're competing. But the answer's simple. We use Article Fiesta. So with every site, you quite often have a blog, and you have some fun information about, like, please use our website, or like, here's some great things, and ultimately you build topical authority in Google. The more things you talk about, the more Google goes, hey, this person really knows about beauty, so any searches that happen for beauty, we're going to rank this guy higher. And that's ultimately the job, really. So I'm just waiting for this to finish. But what this is doing is using machine learning to build an article for us that's completely custom. It's specifically for us. It's not for anyone else. It's not ripping anyone else's content off. This is a fresh article, and it's going to contain images. The images are going to have the alt tags. It's going to contain an external link. It's going to be like completely readable as if it was written by a human. I forgot actually to post it directly to the website. Oh, I don't like that image. Toast isn't it's butter, but it's not quite what I want. I want something more like yeah, here we go. This is more like beauty focused. There you go. So I forgot to post it to the blog, so you have to give me a second while that posts to the blog. But you'll notice the meta description is written here for me. This creamy coconut not only feels amazing on the skin, but also provides long-lasting hydration. That's quite a good, compelling meta description that if I read that in Google, I'd be like, ooh, I want to know more about this body butter. Tell me more, tell me more. I'm super excited. So hang on, let's just nip to our WordPress dashboard. That will be a post. So I've got it set up to post as draft right now, but it could just as easily go live. You notice it's made the health and fitness category, and also some tags. You'll notice in rank math I'm scoring 70 right out the gate. I don't actually remember how to find the tags in the new version of WordPress. But yeah, so here we go. We can see we've got a nice little hook. Got to read more. All these images are royalty free, so they're free to use on your website. Like, you're not going to get in trouble for it. It's completely fine. And here we go. We've got a beautiful article. I'm not going to comment on the quality of some of the images, but that's the issue with royalty free. There is an option to make them AI images, and that worked fine. It's highlighted natural ingredients, body butters. It's done all the perfect highlighting within it. And it's that Grammarly's popped up to tell me some stuff. So here we go. We've got a list. That's a correctly formatted list. All of these will have alt tags. So cool in the countryside. Not necessarily body butter, but it is what it is with royalty free images. But here you go. Like, here's how to make your own body butter. Here's a multi-listed thing. All of this is just gonna, like, absolutely prove to Google that you know what you're talking about, though. So the more you can do this, the better you rank. But yeah, that's it from me. I'll catch you in a bit.